Let's solve some grade 8 star math question on two-dimensional figures centered at the origin of a coordinate plane. Now let's take a look at this one. We are to write the coordinates of write the coordinates of the vertices after a rotation 180 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. When you rotate 180 degrees, that means the points will become negative x comma negative y. If it is 90 degrees, I explained this in one of the previous videos. If it is 90 degrees, it becomes negative y comma x. If it is 270 degrees, it becomes y comma negative x. So now let's see D. What is point D? Let's first write out the points. For point D, we have 5, x is 5, comma 1. Okay, for point E, we have 8, comma 6, 8, comma 6. For G, we have 2, comma 6. And for F, we have 5, comma 10. So when we rotate this point 180 degrees counterclockwise, D becomes negative 5, comma negative 1. E prime becomes negative 8, comma negative 6. F prime becomes negative 5, comma negative 10, and G prime becomes negative 2, comma negative 6. And that is that on this one. Let's try the next one. This triangle is shown on this. We are to do what? It will be dilated by a scale factor of n. So n is the scale factor. When you dilate by a scale factor, that means you are multiplying. X comma y becomes kx comma ky. So dilation means you multiply. So when we multiply by n now, that means it will become nx comma ny. So we are to which ordered pair best represents the location of point R prime. What is point R? Let's first figure out point R. Point R will be negative 3, comma, when we trace it to x, it's negative 3. When we trace it to y, it's negative 5. So when we dilate negative 3, comma, negative 5 by n, that means it will be negative 3n, comma, negative 5n. Negative 3n, comma, negative 5n, and that will be G. So that is what dilation means. You just multiply by this scale factor. Excuse me. The table shows the coordinates of the vertices of pentagon ABCD. ABCDE. Pentagon ABCDE is dilated by a scale factor. Dilated by a scale factor of 7/3. That means we are multiplying by 7/3. By this. So you answer this question now. We are dilating by 7/3. That means we are multiplying by 7/3. So which ordered pair represents the location of the corresponding point on A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, and E prime? So which one? If we have x, comma y, so what will be the answer to this? We are dilating by 7/3. So now the next one, circle I was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create circle 2. Which rule best represents the dilation applied to circle 1 to create circle 2? So circle 1 is the first or the original circle, and then circle 2 is the dilated circle. So we want to figure out which rule applies. So let's try and maybe pick a point. Let's pick a point. Let's pick x comma y. But looking at circle 1, circle 1 is smaller than circle 2. So that means whatever we are dilating by must be bigger than 1. The scale factor, what we are dilating by, the scale factor must be greater than 1. Considering that triangle circle 2 is greater than circle 1. That means the scale factor must be greater than circle 1. If you multiply, must be greater than 1. If you dilate any circle by something and the given shape is bigger than the original one, that means you have multiplied by something that is greater than 1. So it's not addition and it's not subtraction. We are multiplying. 3/8 is less than 1, so it is not this. 8/3 is greater than 1 because 8/3 will be 2 whole then 2/3. This is greater than 1, so the answer is G. So assuming it is circle 2 that we dilated, assuming we dilated circle 2 to get circle 1, then it might have been F. But because we dilated circle 1 to get a bigger circle, that means we multiplied by a bigger number, a number that is bigger than 1. If you multiply by a number that is smaller than 1, the circle will be smaller. So that is it. The coordinate of the vertices of triangle XYZ are this. Triangle XYZ is dilated by a scale factor of 3/2 with the origin as the center of whatever. So if XY represents the location, and the scale factor is 3/2. The scale factor is 3/2. Which ordered pair represents the location of the corresponding points on triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime? So you answer this. We are dilating by 3/2. We are dilating the point X comma Y by 3/2 to get X prime comma Y prime. So what do you think is the best option? Which option represents the corresponding point? Which option represent the corresponding point? And to the next one, a triangle on a coordinate plane has one vertex as -7, -14. Okay. After a dilation with the origin at the center of dilation, the corresponding vertex of the dilated triangle is located at -1, -2. You can see that this one reduced. So that means we dilated by something that is less than 1 because, oh sorry, it does not reduce. It does not, yes, it's reduced. So it has to be less than 1 because 7 is greater than 1. So what we dilated by is less than 1. For it to reduce, that means what we dilated by is less than 1. Okay, so let's try and see which rule represent the dilation applied to the triangle. Let's first try the first one. 1/7. So let's dilate by 1/7. So -7 times 1/7, comma -4 times 1/7. This will give -1, comma -2. So A is the correct option. It gives -1, comma -2. So A is the correct option. But for us to be sure, let's try. Let's multiply by half. If you multiply 7 by half, you will get -7/2, comma 7, comma -7. And this cannot be the answer. If you dilate by 7, 7 times -7, 7 times -7 gives -49, comma 14 times -7, that should be 98. 14 times -7, yeah, that will be -98, and this is wrong. If you multiply by 2, 2 times -7 will be -14, and -14 times -2 will be -28. So this is wrong. So A is the best option, is the correct option. So lastly, you're solving this. A triangle is graphed on a coordinate plane. The table shows the original vertices. These are the original vertices and these are the dilated ones. And the new ones, okay. What rule is applied to the original rectangle to create the new rectangle? So take a look at all the rules, all the options. We have options A to D. What rule? This is the original. These are the original one by the left side, and the right ones on the right side are the dilated one, the answer after dilating. So dilate this left one, and which option, what is the rule that was applied to the ones on the left side to get the ones on the right side? And that will be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.